Hey there, www.andrewbartmusic.com. This is just a brief video to go with the one I put up yesterday on my Chinese diesel heater sauna. So you can see now I've got I bought some new propane. I got that firing up out there, nice hot bath. And I'm gonna try the rocks. If you see that, I've got the rocks heating up on the fire, and I'll bring them in once I get this place toasty. The heater's only been on for about 10 minutes here, and we're up to 18 degrees. It was freezing in here. Again, no carbon monoxide. So, yes, all good. What are we getting up to here? Yeah, over 20 now. That's just, it's been on for 10 minutes. So we got the fire heating up the rocks there, and we got the hippie hot tub, bathtub, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I know it doesn't have jets. Okay, so Andrew Martin Music, just a quickie here, and ciao.